Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Thank y'all so much for joining me for another video. I also want to give a special thanks to all of my new subscribers. I have so many new ones. I have reached another milestone, y'all, so thank you so much. I appreciate that. And to all of my subscribers that have been rocking with me and been here from day one, thank you so very much. You know that I really do appreciate y'all. I appreciate each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. So thank you so much. So today we're just going to be cleaning my kitchen and my dining area. So let's go ahead and get into the video. And like we always do, y'all, we're going to start out with some music.
You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club, but my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no.
And I just want to let y'all know I still will be uploading 3 times a week, but I did change my days. So now we'll be uploading on Sunday, Monday, and Fridays. Just wanted to give you a heads up on that. And today is Monday, y'all. That's why there's a new video.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience.
And And y'all, I've been sleeping on Dollar Tree because I purchased this Comet kitchen cleaner, and this was actually purchased way before the COVID-19. It was way before that, and I've been holding on to it because I've been using a lot of my other cleaners, so I just want to make sure. But this has bleach in it, and when I tell you, it works great. It works so good. So yes, I have to get myself together.
You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off, we're getting close. Keep calling me to the friends. Calling me to the friends. Don't try to please me. Not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, 'cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure. Falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better.
And y'all, this is a new scent to me. I don't know if it's actually new, but I did purchase this when it was in my Grove order that just recently came in, and it's Clementine. Woo! It smells so good, y'all. So good. And of course, my Method Steel For Real. I love using this on my stainless steel. So yes, y'all, I love it, love it, love it. The smell and everything. Not only the fact that it works, but I do love the smell of it because it really does get the job done, y'all. It takes away those fingerprints.
Calling us friends. Calling us friends. Calling us friends. I'm by myself, but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends. Calling us friends.
And I'm sure y'all know by now that I just love Method products. I really do. This is the degreaser. Now, this is my holy grail. Nothing will ever take the place of this Method degreaser. I normally don't. I use the Steel For Real on my stainless steel, but when it comes down to the stove and the microwave, I have to use this degreaser because nothing works like it.
You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off, we're getting close. Keep calling me to the friends. Calling us 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 friends. Oh, baby. Calling us friends. Calling us friends. Calling us friends. Calling us friends. Calling us friends.
And y'all, it is the next day because the timing got away from me. It was really late and I just was so tired and so exhausted. But I gave myself permission that, okay, this will be here in the morning. So you can go ahead and finish it up tomorrow morning. So that's exactly what I did. So I just want to tell y'all, don't stress. Don't get all stressed out. If it's something that you're doing and you don't get a chance to finish it up, it is okay. It will be there for you the next day. You have to get your rest. That's what's important.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
And y'all, my Scentiva, I normally just use this in the bathroom, but it's my Clorox and I needed to go ahead and disinfect the sink. That's why it's sitting there for a few seconds before you see me clean it. Yes, you're not seeing things. You did see me clean it earlier because whenever I'm going to wash dishes, I always clean it first. and then I clean it again, but this time I clean it with a disinfectant. So yes, you're not seeing things. I'm OCD. For real, OCD.
We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me.
And I do switch back and forth between the Pine Sol and the Fabuloso. So right now it's the Pine Sol that I'm using, and it's actually in a lemon scent. And we're definitely going to use some Clorox as well, so we can get this floor nice and disinfected.
We ain't got the time. I just heard the other day that you've been worried about my stay. Then maybe I'm at home in tears alone. And if our last goodbye left me wondering why, now let me put your mind at ease. I'm gonna tell you how I feel, and you can rest assured I'm fine, alright. So let me shed some light, some light. I'm free. I'm so proud of who I am. Now I finally found myself. I'm me. Done being someone else. Got my story left to tell. Happy without you. I know that it won't be.
And y'all, we're nearing the end of the video. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll know each and every time I upload a new video. Like, comment, and share. And follow me on Instagram, Getting My Life Together 50. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.